So we are testing now boiler second alarm, that is very important. Too low water level. Actually we already start the boiler. You can see here boiler already nozzle 1. Boiler is working now. Okay, boiler already fire. So basically we need to start the low water level from the gauge glass. We have to blow down the water. So until that too low water level you can see and alarm will activate. But in this system, in this boiler we don't have like this. So we will activate from the relay itself. So this is the relay of the water level alarm. You can see too low water level, relay number 1 here. This is the relay number 1. Okay. Now value is 30. So we have to increase the value up to 99. Okay. If we increase the value, too low water level alarm will come. Slowly we need to increase. Okay. Already you can see here already low water level alarm is activated. Sorry, this is the relay 1. Relay 2 is the low water level alarm is activated and boiler is already running because this is the low water level, not too low water level alarm. Too low water level alarm, boiler will get tripped. So we set back this one again and we will take the, this is relay number 2. Okay, we tested. We will go to the relay number 1, too low water level. So we have to put back this one. Put back the value 30. 30 में रखना है इसको. Now select SC1, relay 1.
25 there.
We have to increase the 99. So too low water level alarm will be activated and boiler should be stopped. 96. Increase the value so low water level alarm will activate. So relay 1, boiler should be stopped. You can see here too low water level alarm activated and we will see boiler is stopped. You can see there is no more fire inside the boiler. So actually this is not a procedure to check the low water level alarm. We have to actually blow down the water from the boiler so alarm will be activated. But we already take from the relay also you can stimulate the alarm. So this is the procedure for low water level and too low water level alarm test for the boiler. Thank you very much.